Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to repot this, but I'm going to pot it in water. I'm not going to do it in the soil. So let's see. Okay, I think it was not watered for a little while now. The soil is all dried up. And let's see how many. Do I have one plant in here or more than one? Not sure. I don't want to damage too many roots. Trying to do the best I can. Okay, I guess I got some other idea. Hopefully that works. I'm going to soak it in the water for a little while. I have tried to do the best I could, and I've gotten rid of most of the soil, but still, as you can see, there's a lot remaining in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the water for maybe a day or two and see if I can get rid of the remaining soil from this. So let's see, I'm going to put some water here. Beautiful. Seems to be the right amount of water. As you can, hopefully you can see. Yeah, you see the water level is just above the root level. That's it. No leaves are drowning in there. So that's what I'm going to keep it like this for a day or two and try to take out most of the remaining soil. And I'm also going to try to see, because I see some separate stems here. So if I can separate them without destroying their roots, then I may be able to get some more plants out of this. So because I've got some ideas about making some hanging plants and that kind of stuff. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching, and you have a